Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable AdBlocker in Google Chrome. To get started, open up Google Chrome, and in the top right of the browser you should see the AdBlocker extension. To remove it, you can right-click on it and select the Remove from Chrome option, and this will remove AdBlocker. In the case where you can't see the AdBlocker extension, you can click on the puzzle icon and then click on the pin icon next to the AdBlocker extension, and this will add AdBlocker to your Google Chrome extension bar. If none of these options work for you, you can also click on the three dots located at the top right of Chrome, and then hover over the Extensions menu option and click on Manage Extensions. Then from this extensions page, you can click on the Remove button next to the AdBlocker extension. And it's as easy as that. Removing AdBlocker from Google Chrome is a simple task to perform. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.